Why your English sounds basic, even when you know many words. You know many English words. You studied grammar. People understand you. But your English still sounds basic, too simple, too school-like, and you don't know why. Here is the truth. The problem is not your vocabulary size. The problem is how you use words. Most learners speak in single words or very short sentences, like this: I agree. I think so. It is good. These sentences are correct. But native speakers don't stop there. They add small connectors, small words, simple phrases, words like actually, to be honest, I mean, you know. These words do not add information. They add natural sound. Another reason your English sounds basic is translation. You think in your language, then you translate word by word, so your English sounds logical, but not natural. Let me give you an example. Instead of saying, I have very much work, say, I have a lot to do. Same meaning. Natural English is not about big words. It is about common phrases. Native speakers reuse the same phrases again and again, and that's why they sound fluent. So what should you do? Stop learning words alone. Learn phrases, not words. Not decision, but make a decision. Second, listen for chunks. When you listen to English, don't ask, what does this word mean? Ask, how do they say this? And finally, don't try to sound smart. Try to sound natural. Simple English, used well, is real fluency. If you want your English to sound more natural and more confident, subscribe to the channel and check the playlists. Everything here is designed to help you speak English the real way.